Am I recording?
Make sure
Yeah. Hi guys. Me and Tiffany made a new YouTube channel called Chicken Butts United. I'll put the link in the description thingy below. You know. But swag. But this way it'll be easier for us to put up our videos, and it'll be a whole lot cooler. And shut up. You're talking to yourself.
I'm talking to you.
And so yeah, I'm gonna put our
Videos.
fan page in the description too, and I have our old videos on that channel as well. So yeah,
Go check it out.
you guys should, go check it out and subscribe and share and rape and do whatever you want to it. So yeah, okay, bye. Mwah. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.